Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to build an AI dermatology assistant using Chatflow. So let's suppose I'm a dermatologist and I receive many queries on my WhatsApp. I want to automate the general and the repetitive queries, and for that I have created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now when I create this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot and when a user sends me a message, automatically the reply will be sent based on the query which they have sent to me. Now if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this AI agent or a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. I have created this dermatology AI assistant and we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to send some message like, "Hello, I'm having dry skin." I'm going to send a general inquiry. I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, "I'm sorry to hear that you experience dry skin. Here are some tips to help manage it. Moisturize regularly, gentle cleansing, avoid hot showers, stay hydrated." So here I have received these tips. I'm going to send another query now. "I want to schedule an appointment." I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, "Sure, to schedule an appointment with dermatologist, you can choose from the following option." So here I have these options. These are the options. So I'm going to write, "I want to book the appointment for," and then I will send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it says, "To book the appointment with this doctor, you can contact her directly at this number. You can send a message or call this number to schedule your appointment." Now, if you have any general query, if you have any specific query, or you want to book an appointment with the doctor, you can use this AI agent. So I've created this AI agent in that manner. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this using Pabbly Chatflow, then let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to see how we can create an AI dermatology assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. And for this, we are going to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. But before we sign in, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly Chatflow. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard. We can see the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining, and the WhatsApp number added. To add your own WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this Add WhatsApp number. You can use this WhatsApp Connect or a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Now, if you want to get the step-by-step process, you can check out the link given in the description and make this connection. On the left-hand side, where you can see all these options or the features like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, settings, and get help. We have created dedicated and detailed video on all of these features, the link to which is available in the description. You can check that out. Now, to create an AI agent, on the left hand side, you can see this AI assistant option. So I'm going to open this. So here I have landed towards this page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant, and inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you have to simply click on this Add AI Assistant. The AI assistant which you see as active are active on some charts. We are going to create a new AI assistant, so we are simply going to click on this Add AI Assistant. So first I'm going to name this AI as AI Dermatology Assistant, and then simply click on this Add AI Assistant. So here I've landed towards this page, and from here we are going to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot or an AI agent. On the top you can see all these options, so we are going to enter all these details in all these four options. So the first one is AI instructions. So I'm going to select my instruction type as AI agent. As soon as I select my instruction type, the instructions are already added. I'm going to keep these instructions as same. You can enter your instruction according to your choice and preference. Then we have this AI configuration. The first one under this is temperature. So it says set how creative the AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. So if we go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how the AI is answering will improve. So I'm going to keep it as 0.7, and then the AI to use will be OpenAI. Then the model will be GPT-4o mini. Then in this API key, to get this API key, I'm provided a hyperlink. So let's open this now. We have landed towards this API keys page. To create a new API token, I simply need to click on this create new secret key. So first I have to give the key name. Let's say the key name is test. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then I simply need to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to me, which I need to copy and simply paste that over here. Now here I have already created this API key, which I am going to enter. After entering this API key, I'm going to simply click on this connect, and you will see this OpenAI key saved successfully. So please make sure that after you enter this API key, you click on this connect. Now if I scroll down, I have this option of AI assistant settings. So I have this header message. I have to toggle this on, enter the header message, and it will start reflecting on my header message. Same goes for this footer message. Then we have the stop keyword. Now for the stop keyword, it says enter keywords that users can type to stop the AI assistant. You can add multiple keywords. I'm going to enter stop and press enter, and this is how I have added this keyword. Now whenever my AI is going to reply to my customer and my customer want to stop this AI agent or this reply, so they can simply send the message as stop, and the AI will stop replying to the messages. Then we have this retry attempt. If I toggle this on, it says specify the number of fallback retry attempts if the AI assistant fails to respond. Valid range is 1 to 10. So I'm going to keep it as 1. You can increase the number according to your choice and preference. I'm going to toggle this off for now. Then we have this fallback message. So here it says, I'm here to assist with questions related to company information or support. So if my API is not responding, my AI agent will not be able to send the messages or answer the queries. Then I'm going to send this fallback message. You can enhance this fallback message according to your choice and preference. You can add the company details or more. I'm going to keep it as this only. Then we have completed this AI instruction. Moving on towards the next option of this knowledge source. So in this knowledge source, I'm going to select it as upload file, and then I'm going to upload the file which I have already created. I'm going to click on this cloud, and in this download you can see that I have already created this knowledge base which I'm going to open. So I'm going to open this knowledge base for you. So here this is the knowledge base which I have created, Derma Assist AI knowledge base. So here I have entered the disclaimer, then the clinic and the doctor details. Then if I scroll down, I have added some general inquiries and the responses, common skin condition and the responses. Then I have added some skin diseases. Then I have added hair and nail concerns, then the skin allergies, and the rest of the detail like routine and the red flag symptoms, pediatric dermatology, AI intake, Chatflow sample question, something like this. So I have added all these details to my knowledge base which I have created. I have downloaded this knowledge base in a PDF format, and you can also download this in .txt format and upload that to your AI agent. So here you can add as many as details as you want. You can update this knowledge base and then upload this to your AI agent. So I'm going to open my AI agent. So here I have added the same knowledge source. Now I'm going to click on this assistant interface. So the first one is display heading name. I'm going to remove this and enter it as AI Dermat. Then over here you can see this heading name. Then we have this header display subheading name. So if you want, you can keep it. If you want to remove it, you can do that and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it as same only. Then we have this initial message. Enter each message in new chat bubble. You can add 2 initial message. So hi there, how can I help you today? This will be sent by my AI assistant or my AI agent. You can add another initial message and the message will be sent to the user who has sent the question. Then we have this display powered by Pabbly. Now over here you can see this powered by Pabbly. If I disable this, it will be removed. From here I'm going to keep it enable. Then we have this footer text. So I have added the privacy policy and I have also added the privacy policy link in this footer link. I have this user first message. So whenever a user is going to send me this message, the AI is going to respond, but it is not necessary the same message will be sent. The user can send any message and my AI agent is going to reply to them. Then after this assistant interface, we have the styling. So over here, I have selected the theme mode as light. You can select dark also. Then we have this assistant shape. I'm going to select it as circle, but you can select it as square and you can see it changing here. Then you have this rounded square. I'm going to keep it as circle. Then we have this assistant background color, text color, button color, chat bubble text color, footer text color. You can change according to your choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture. So I'm going to click on this cloud and I can upload the profile picture. I can upload the assistant profile picture. I can remove this background over here, you can see, and then upload the background picture. Just in the similar manner, I have uploaded the knowledge base. So here we are done with creating this AI agent and that's it. We simply have to focus on creating the connection, creating the API key, and then adding the knowledge base, the updated details of our business. Now over here, as soon as we create this, we have to make sure that we keep this on. If we do not keep this on, the messages won't be sent, and then we save this. So here you see AI assistant saved successfully. Now after creating this, we have to follow a very important step. Now what if we want to enable this particular AI agent to a particular chat? For that, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, so I'm going to open this inbox in a new tab. Here I have landed towards the inbox, so this was my chat. So to enable this AI agent to a particular chat, you have to click on this choose AI assistant, and from this drop down you have to select your AI assistant and simply save this. But enabling this AI agent to single chats is a very time consuming and illogical task. So on the left hand side where you can see all these options, we are going to open the settings and then go towards the inbox settings. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Here I've landed towards this inbox settings. So if I scroll down over here, we have this AI auto reply settings. First I'm going to disable this and then I'm going to show you how we are going to do this. So AI auto reply disabled for all chats. So I'm going to first enable this. So I have created a list. You can create a list and assign a particular AI assistant to that particular list, or you can select an AI agent for all the contacts. So here let's suppose I'm going to select this AI assistant for this particular list which I have created. I can add more rules, select the contact list. Now here I'm going to select all the contacts and then assign any AI assistant according to your requirement to all the contacts and simply save this. And you will see this particular AI assistant will be active for all the contacts or a particular list. So here inbox settings saved successfully. So here now to check this one last time, I'm going to open my WhatsApp and send messages. So here I'm going to send this message. I think I'm having fungal infection. So here let's wait for the response. And it says fungal infection can manifest in various ways such as itching, redness, or changes in skin or nails. It's important to consult a dermatologist for proper diagnosis and treatment plan, especially if you are experiencing significant symptoms or infection is spreading. Would you like to schedule a teleconsultation, or do you have any specific symptom you'd like to share? So I'm going to write another message. Can you suggest healthy skincare routine? I'm going to send this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here I have received this message. Absolutely, here is a simple yet effective skincare routine to maintain healthy skin. Cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, hydrating, healthy diet, avoid harsh products. So this is how my AI is replying to all my queries. And we have created this AI Dermatology Assistant using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts or queries, you can comment down this video below and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.